Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tutorialify. In this video, we are going to be learning how to share a design in Canva. To share a design in Canva, first of all, open the Canva application and log into your account. Now go to the Recent Designs tab and select one of the design that you would like to share. Tap on the little three dots right above the design and then click on the share button in the pop-up. Now, an automated link will be generated for your design. Go ahead and tap on the copy link button. But before that, make sure that you select your collaboration link option, tap on the little drop down and select who can access the design. If you want anyone with the link to access the design, tap on anyone with the link, and right after you do that, you can also choose who can edit, comment, or view the design. Now, once you tap on the copy link button, the link will be copied. Now you can share the link via email, text, or any other platform. Select the platform where you'd like to share the link on. It can be a social messaging app or your email app. Choose the contact you would like to invite or share the link to, and that's how you can easily share your design in Canva. Now, anyone who has the link will be able to view your design, or if you've allowed, they can also make edits onto them. That's how it's easily done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to Tutorialify for more Canva tips and tricks. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.